Hi, welcome to VIDA Happy. Thank you so much for being here with me on another video. Today I'll be sharing with you my monthly menu plan. I want to share with you what I buy on my groceries budgets, but at first I want to show you how I plan my monthly meals because family members, friends ask me how I do it. I only cook 8 times a month, twice a week, and I'll be sharing with you how I plan these meals and save me not only money, but they save me a lot of time without my family being bored of the same meals all the time. So I'll go ahead and share with you first how I plan, and this will be my menu for the month of February. And here it is. Here we go. So I'll go ahead and show you this little notepad. I got it at the dollar store, and it happens to be nice and pink, which is good, but it has all the 7 days of the week, and I use it for my meal planning for the month. I only cook twice a week, and as you can see, it has the 7 days. On these days, I write all the meals for the month that I have the option of cooking, and right here on Wednesday, I do the same thing. These are the 4 different meals that I have the options of cooking, and these are the 4 meals I have the options of cooking for the 4 weeks of the month. But usually every Sunday we either, we don't go to restaurants now, especially, or even before. My husband has a health condition. We really can't go to restaurants. He has celiac disease, so it's kind of really hard to find restaurants that are gluten-free, safe to eat. So we usually eat at home, but we'll buy pizza for the kids, or we'll buy a gluten-free pizza for him, and we make it here, or things like that. But we have eat out, free choice. Anybody can just eat whatever they want. They have the option like sandwiches, hot dogs, or anything. We also have fridge buffet. That's what I call it when I see a lot of leftovers still at the end of the week. I put it out on the counter, and anybody can have whatever they want. Let's see. For Monday, I usually cook beans. Now, I know a lot of people probably don't cook beans. You don't have to cook beans. I grew up eating beans in Mexico, but I'm sure it doesn't matter where are you from. And if you don't like beans, I'm sure that you have a frugal meal that you can use. Like pasta is really affordable, or rice, or things like that. So you can substitute Mondays for any other frugal meal. So I just give you an example, and every Monday I cook beans. I boil beans, and we eat those beans with either fresh salsa, avocado, cheese, homemade tortillas, etc. But we eat them with any of those side dishes. For Tuesday, it's my cooking day. On that day, we cook a meal with meat, and that could eat meat or seafood. So right there, I will be making shrimp salad, which is ceviche. In Spanish, pozole with pork, because I know a lot of people make it with chicken, and you could or whatever, but I will be using pork. Fish fillet with either rice and salad or vegetables, but usually we'll be probably doing salad. And also I'll be doing rolled chicken tacos, which are called flautas in Spanish. We eat this rolled chicken tacos with, I will be making fresh guacamole and like lettuce and salsa and stuff like that. Maybe cheese on top. So all those little side items. But so what it is, all these 4 items right here will be cooked on Tuesdays. I mean, everything can be moved around. It's okay, but as long as we stick to the same menu items. So I have 4 dishes because I'll be cooking 1 each day of the week for 4 weeks. Right here, again, I have 4 dishes, and I'll be cooking one each day of the week, but these are meatless. So I try to do a meat dish and a meatless dish every week. So this week what I have is crispy potato and bean tacos. Again, they're like the flautas, like the chicken tacos, like either guacamole or salsa or cheese. I'll also be doing cooked cactus, so, which is saute Mexican style cactus. I know, again, a lot of people don't eat cactus. We do, but you can either, instead of that, you can probably do green beans or something else that you like. Also, in another week, on Wednesday, we'll be doing pickled pork skin tostadas. I don't know if you've ever had it, but we make it as a salad, kind of like the shrimp salad, and it's really good. I don't know if you've ever had it, but it's pickled pork skin, and we'll be eating it with tostadas. Also, I have chiles rellenos that goes with either rice and a salsa and stuff like that. And my husband requested veggie tostadas, which is tostadas with like a base of beans and potato and carrots on top. It's a dish that his mom used to make them, so I went ahead and added there. So what I do is for the month, I bring the ingredients for all these dishes, and we have them on hand. I'll let you know at the end. But for Thursday, I usually, to break it up and don't give my family leftovers right the next day, we eat fried beans. And again, it's with the same side dishes as when I first boiled them, which is handmade tortillas, avocado, could be rice, with chorizo or fresh salsa. The beans, we like them with fresh cheese, like cacique and stuff like that. On Friday, we'll be eating the leftovers from Tuesday. And on Saturday, we'll be having the leftovers for that we had on Wednesday. That way, they're not bored to have them back to back. But then again, I did cook 2 portions for both days, and a lot of the times we still have a little bit left over, and so that's why we can have some on Sunday, and anybody can just have whatever they want. So usually I do a once a month shopping for various reasons. It's less work. You save more. I know it's hard for a lot of people, and a lot of people rather go weekly. To me, I found that this is the best way for me and my family to save more money. I bring all the main ingredients for these dishes, and also for breakfast and lunches and everything. I make my list, but we do go 3 times throughout the month. So every week we go for dairy and for fruits and vegetables. So anything dairy and fruits and vegetables that we need for the week, we go and get it. But that's a quick 10-minute, 15-minute run in and out of the store. And that way we don't look around and spend more money than what we need. Also, if I forgot anything for these dishes, that's the moment to get it. So we do make a trip. Usually either my husband goes or I go. But the main monthly shopping, I go do it. I honestly hate shopping, and going grocery shopping is not the exception. I don't like it either. So to me, going once a month is perfect because I bring everything that we need for the month. But then on my budget, I do set money aside to go weekly throughout that time. So on the first week of the month, well, I usually do the shopping between the 25th and the end of the month. Because I know there's usually a lot of people like on the first of the month. So I go towards the end of the month, but then every week my husband and I will stop for dairy and fruits and vegetables, and then I go again next month towards the end of the month. But this is the monthly menu. If you would like to know how I come up with these meals, I will let you know. I have like a 4-month menu plan rotation that I know that my family, my kids love, and they eat it. And I made my own menu to rotate. So these items, unless they really crave them and they ask for them again, we'll have them like in 3-4 months again. So and like that, you don't waste time thinking like, oh, what am I gonna eat, what am I gonna make? They're bored of the same thing. Like, honestly, I don't go around trying new recipes. So if that's something you're interested in, I can talk a little bit more about it in the future, and also talk a little bit more about food hauls. I probably will be sharing my grocery shopping hauls, but I wanted to share with you first how I do my menu plan. Also, if you are interested in any of these recipes, I mean, this is not a cook channel, but I can probably share with you a recipe. If there's anything you might be interested in knowing how I make it, you can leave it in the comments down below. And I hope this serves you, and you make your own. You can make your own, adapt it to your lifestyle, to the foods that your family and you eat. And again, it doesn't have to be in this specific order. We can always switch them around. Let's say I make a meal on Wednesday that I had on Tuesday. I just cross it out, and I know I don't have the ingredients for that meal again. I make 2 portions of each meal so that we can have leftovers. I found this way is much cheaper, and you save more if you only have 8 meals and you buy the ingredients for 8 different meals than if you were to buy ingredients for 16 different meals. So that's a way to save not only money but time. So until next time, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're subscribed, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.